Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho CRM to integrate with Google Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Marketplace from the drop-down menu. In the Marketplace, choose All Extensions. Search for Google Analytics in the search bar. Locate the Google Analytics integration and click on it. Once on the integration page, click the Install button. Review the permissions required for the integration. Click Accept to grant the necessary permissions. You will be redirected to the Google login page. Enter your Google credentials to log in. After logging in, grant Zoho CRM access to your Google Analytics account. Select the Google Analytics property you wish to link to Zoho CRM. Click Allow to complete the authorization process. Return to your Zoho CRM account. You should now see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. To configure settings, go back to the Settings icon. Click on Integrations from the Settings menu. Find Google Analytics in the list of integrated apps. Click on it to access the configuration options. Customize your settings to track the desired metrics from Google Analytics. Save your changes to finalize the integration setup. Your Zoho CRM is now successfully authorized to integrate with Google Analytics. You can start monitoring your data and improve your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.